In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide content in Confluence. This simple yet effective trick will help you organize information on your pages in a way that keeps them clean and easy to navigate. By the end of this session, you'll master the art of using the expand macro to hide content effortlessly. So, let's dive in. To get started, open up your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, whichever browser you like best. Once it's open, navigate to your search engine and type in Confluence. Click on the official link to ensure you're accessing the legitimate Confluence site. If you already have the URL bookmarked, you can simply click on that to get directly to your Confluence dashboard, saving you a bit of time. Next, you'll want to log into your Confluence account. If you happen to be new to Confluence, no worries. You can sign up for free. Just enter your essential details to create an account quickly. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your personalized dashboard. From here, navigate to the Confluence page where you'd like to hide certain content. This will typically be a page where you have a lot of details and need to tidy things up for ease of use by others. Now that you're on your chosen page, click into the editing mode. Your task here is to utilize the expand macro, which is remarkably simple and effective. To insert this macro, simply type a /. Doing so will trigger a handy drop-down menu. Search for Expand, and you'll see the Expand macro option appear. Click on it to insert it into your page. With the Expand macro in place, it's time to give it a title. A common title is something like Click to View. This makes it clear that your readers can access additional content by interacting with the macro. Now you need to embed the content you want to keep hidden within this expandable section. Simply type or paste your text, images, or other details here. This part of the process is flexible, so feel free to format the hidden content as you see fit. Once you've set all this up, it's time to publish your page. By doing so, the content within the expand macro will initially appear collapsed. This keeps your page neat and concise. Viewers can click on the designated title to unveil the details you've tucked away neatly, thus minimizing distractions. That wraps it up. You've now successfully learned how to hide content in Confluence using the expand macro. This feature will certainly help maintain a clear, organized workspace. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, and don't hesitate to experiment to find what works best for you and your team. Thanks for watching.